Baumia Gold for Reserve program is anchoring the Cedi. Kofi Bentil asemo all canon. Say Oshe Baumia Okaya 2022. Yes, Dr. Baumia eka ehwansem about the gold for oil. It started in 2021, BPM 2022, where he announced the gold for oil policy. Evolve ya be gold for reserve. No sensem ebe policy na womo hwe ni mu se betumi aboa na amayesi kasem ejina. And Eugene even made mention of that initiative. But Uche Kofi Bentil importer omikina as if that initiative no buy my positive screen be and answer my positive results in terms of managing the city. And meaning say edu baby we have to be very objective. Na ye call it things as it is. Because these things started 2021, 2022. We know the gold for reserve. In fact, say kowechi no akohwa. In October 2024, Cedi was rated as the world's worst performing currency in 2022. Even in October, na Cedi in Africa, worse. And Kofi Bentil, I would not agree with you that it has been the anchor for this thing we are seeing today. Menewo enye adwene wo sa kwan so. And ohwe $1 no nso a even November 2024 before see ebekwa abatuom no. With this policy, na Cedi still a struggle, which ran around 16 Cedi, 50 pesos to the dollar. And it tells you, say, yeah, significant impact for that initiative, gold for reserve and all that. So you can't attribute near management. That is, this occurrence is due to proper management at ECOSO, any physical discipline, spending. In fact, news agency, Ghana news agency, oma publish article be na obi nhwemu kakra waye any points or the two not different from what Eugene said. In fact, Gold Board initiative was one of the initiative for Abuami Ehudi. And he talked about Bank of Ghana. We injected $490 million. Ediagu economy ni Abuama market ni Emma Cedi enya ahwadi to meet the deba. Or talking about fiscal discipline. And okasa about the US dollar depreciation also. In fact, okasa about market sentiment. It been our kind of perception about the economy stability ni normal. And that was some of the things I want to identify as being the propeller for Cedi no you say appreciate ya cost. Sometimes we have to be objective. In fact, 2024 first quarter, in your $2.3 billion from ye gold a revenue you could from $2.3 billion. Now, share the agency a gold board initiative $2.7 billion. Yemfa 2024 first quarter no enfan compare 2025 first quarter in yen. Regardless of other factors, yenya significant impact and as an improvement on the strength of the Cedi in the first quarter of 2024 than we have today. And how do you just have put your stand? Say, I think we sometimes have to be objective. We don't have to be hypocrite. Say the identity pepepe. Now, what we are doing is what we call in psychology begging. It is a ubi bobo. Na ujire na field no swini so. Na omubedi nkunimawie no akogina hore. Said ye si share omo pa. Said ye share no say no. Said ye bofa 100 boko say no. Oh, ye good. Meanwhile, you weren't part of the actual success no. As a person associate you with your big glory. And that is not what is supposed to be. Give honor unto whom honor is due. And if we continue to actually do that, what you are doing is what we call begging. You are associating the glory of this time to what has passed. A significant impact be away Cedi so. It yenya isa no manoma na ya no. Na yemwa ma yemfa yenim dia yenya as intellectuals na emwa ma economy ni ntimi nyina. Na yeyi a eyema ye nyina. Nhyira 104.5 we ye kukran tumi. Mba yisia.
tie dwumadi a yɛto de Kukrantumi ɛwɔ number 1 aka radio station Nhyira 104.5 Kukrantumi ɛyɛ amanyɔsɛm.